Wait, you see people around you buying cars, building houses, and you ask yourself, what are these people doing to make money? And what if I tell you these people know secrets that you probably don't know? What if you're able to find someone to teach you how to, make money? If you are watching me right now, count yourself lucky. Check, there is a link around this video. Click on that link right now to join a WhatsApp group. This WhatsApp group, it will teach you how to make money online with just your phone, zero experience, with no knowledge, with zero investment. Take note that this tutorial is totally free, and you can test the WhatsApp number on the screen right now to join the class if you can find the link around this video. Our aim is to help liberate as many Africans from now till the end of 2022. To help liberate you, this is more like a youth empowerment program. In this lecture, we show you 9 good ways to make money online, because what we believe is the way to making money isn't hard work, it is smart work. So we show you the right way, 9 good ways, ranging from print on demand to freelancing. Yes, we'll show you the technique to succeed and how you can make up to like $5,000 and above every month. And if you're in Africa, if you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're opportune to earn in dollar, and you know how much dollar is now to naira or to cedis. So take action right now. Remember, your destiny lies in your hands. And you see people buying cars, buying houses, driving car. You have this dream. Also, this is opportunity for you. Yes, we are here to empower you, to help you, to empower you with the right knowledge, to help you attain your level of success. Yes, see you on the other side.